Uncle Tim, look. Tim's gonna hit me in the head.
And Mike was tall. And Mike was tall too at one time.
He wore army pants every day.
Here we go. We got over here next to Kathy is Wade Meyer.
Hello.
And he had hair then too.
We are.
And the snark.
Look at Greg. Greg, give me the teeth job.
Come on, Greg, do the thing.
You can do it, Gil.
Greg, Coke.
All right, we'll just have to get you drunk.
Oh, he's drinking Coke. What a
This is
boy.
our fire.
Wow.
Here's Corey.
There's
Hey,
Corey.
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 And Lori.
Lori.
Lori. Corey. Lori. Corey. Lori. Lori. Corey. All
And
right.
then Noreen.
Nor. Zoom. Zoom. Extreme close up. Extreme close up. Extreme close up. Oh boy. Sorry, Nor. Timmy, there's my man right there. My buddy, my big man right there.
Hockey man.
Punk face.
Man.
Tim Raider, Tim the hockey man, Tim Estrada, Tim Meister. There's Michael sucking on some beer, thinking it's a wiener. There's a dog sucking some beer, giving Tim's Miller a blowjob. Oh, sorry. There's my wife bitching me out again. Always does it, never stops. There's the fire. Better jump into it. Save my life. There she is, chasing me again. Sorry. All right, I gotta do it again. She's not even drunk. She's just tired. Being a wimp.
And she always looks like that.
And she knows far too much about Wade.
Fire.
Isn't that scary? Isn't that scary? There's Mike. Hi, Mikey. Here's a kitty face. Little kitty face. Hey, kitty face. So fucking cute.
I need to shave.
You're so fucking cute, you.
Sorry, I only shave once a week.
No,
I have that luxury.
oh, God. I gotta shave twice a fucking day. It sucks.
Oh, I love it.
Nah, once a day. I'm lying. There's my wife.
Nice
She
glasses.
shaved twice a day.
Nice glasses.
Yes, geek glasses. Geek glasses.
Timmy is calling me Spaz.
Yes, well, you used to be called
Focus in
Spaz.
on her mustache. The camera might like
You got a mustache? Holy shit. She's doing a Cindy Crawford thing. Yeah, you just gotta put some black on that white bubble.
Before we go to the next.
Look at Tim sleeping. Tim, hi Tim.
He said hi, Tim.
There's Becky.
You
Becky, get over here.
want to walk up there, Vic?
Yeah. Coming, Mike.